Hi, welcome dear student to second video of chapter 2. Today I am going to explain move or copy a file folder from one drive to another drive and move or copy file folder from one storage device to another. Last class I explained how Windows Explorer and computer can help the file management in Windows. Okay. So you learned the different ways how to navigate one file folders in Windows Explorer and computer. Okay. So what move or copy? Now we are going to discuss move or copy a file folder from one drive to another drive. Okay. There are several ways can move or copy data from one drive to another drive, and I'm going to discuss one of the popular common way to copy and paste or cut and paste. Okay. So these steps are: first of all, open Windows Explorer or computer, then select a file folder which you want to copy or move. Okay. First of all, open Windows Explorer or computer, then select a file or folders you want to move or copy. Okay. Then right click on the highlighted area, a menu will pop up. Then left click on the copy the file folders. Okay. Then go to the desired location where you want to paste. So then you can just go there, particular place folder where you want to paste. Then you can just need to control plus V and paste the, or using right click. So there are two ways you can just use the right click and select cut or copy options from menu, and then right click on the blank area of the right pane and select paste. Okay. So question is here, what is the difference between copy and cut? So you can see when you copy, for example, we are going to copy from C drive to D drive, you get the both the copies of the same files or folder. Okay. If you want to multiple copies of the same file, then you should use copy control C and control V command. Okay. And if you want a single copy, if you just I have a copy of the folder, I have a folder name class 6th, I just want to move to the another location D drive. So when we use control plus X, what will happen, you will get the one copy in the D drive, and C drive copy class 6 folder will be automatically removed. Okay. So cut, in the case of cut and paste, you will lost your previous file and you will get the new one, and copy and paste, you will get the multiple copy. If you want to multiple copy, then you should use control plus C and control plus V. So there are two ways. You can just need to right click, then copy. First of all, select the folder, right click, copy, and go to the desired location where you want to paste, then right click and paste. So this way you can copy or paste the data. Okay, there are another way. If you want to move or copy file folder from one storage device to another device. Okay, for example, if I want to move a file from D drive to flash drive, your pen drive. Okay, so how will you do this? You just need to attach a pen drive to the computer. Okay, when you click on the computer icon, you can see the pen drive icon there. You just need to double click. Okay, you just need to double click there and right click and select cut or copy options from the menu. Click on the flash drive icon in the left pane, the drive open. Then right click on the blank area in the right pane and select paste. So how will you open? First of all, how will you copy from D drive to your pen drive? So you first of all insert the pen drive in your computer, then go to the D drive where you want to copy your data. First of all, select the folder you want to copy and then go to the pen drive, click on the pen drive option and then Control plus B or select right icon from the mouse and paste there. So this way you can also move or copy file folder from one storage device to another storage device. Okay, so now you are able to copy from one drive to another and one storage drive to another storage device. Okay, and now you are able to solve these questions, lab time questions. Based on this, you just need to practice the questions. Page number 24. Practice the following on the computer. Open Windows Explorer, open C drive, create a folder with your name, go to D or E drive, create another folders with your surname. So you will create the question number 2 lab time and write down the steps in your copy. Okay, I hope you understood how to copy the data from one drive to another drive and copy or move the data from one storage device to another. Thanks for watching.